Hello, greetings and salutations. Right, I learned something this morning from one of the live trading sessions that has really helped me within my trading. So I wanted to share it with you because, you know, you've got to help everybody. Everyone's got to know about these amazing things that are coming up. And this is all down to something that Rick McKenzie brought up on Brian Knight's and Anne Armitage's baby boomer session. So this kind of like reiterates the importance of jumping on the live trading sessions with everybody, because you learn so much stuff. You know, I mean, I went on there and I've learned something that's really helped my trading. So I'm going to share it with you, and thank you to Rick for bringing this up, because I think this is brilliant for people that are new. Okay, I'm going to share my screen with you. Okay, as you know, we do trade the BYOB. I just want to make sure I'm sharing the right screen. I think I am, yes. So the BYOB is a very simple strategy, and we put just 3 indicators on here. So let's put those on now. As you all have seen this, and if you've seen my live trading sessions, you'll know the 3 indicators we put on. We put on our stochastic, we put on our PSARs, and we make sure we're on Heikin Ashi candles. Okay, there. These are our 3 things that we put on here. Right. Now, what we've gone through before on this brilliant strategy is that we look for, is the stochastic in the extreme? Yes or no? Yes. Is the PSARs flipped underneath for a buy? Yes, they flipped. Have we got a flat bottomed candle? Yes. So we always use our ruler. The ruler is your best friend. That move there was 52 pips, right? Brilliant. But we only go for 10 pips a day, but some people like to go for more pips, but they don't know where to put their take profits or their stop losses. So another thing we go through on our training session is the importance of putting in support and resistance lines. So you can see where the market is heading for, where it likes to go, where it kind of bounces off and all that sort of thing. So before, we were showing you to go to here and to put a horizontal line where you think your support and resistance is. Okay, so you kind of guess one might be about there. Horizontal line, there's kind of one around about here, because you see it's bounced. And then maybe there's another one probably about around here, right? Which is great. And that's something that you can learn, and you can go in, you can practice, and you can kind of scroll left to see if these support resistance lines are lined up the way that you've put them on. But it takes a little bit of practice to get that right. So let's remove them, and let me just show you an indicator that is free that you can use on TradingView that does that for you. It's brilliant. I can't believe it. This is going to save so many people so much heartache, right? So you go to indicators and you search for one called auto support. Okay, auto support by JAMC. See, that's JAMC. You add that on. Okay, what it does is it's dropped the support and resistance lines on there for you. And look, if you look back, look how good these are. Look, it's dropped on there. Look, touch. And it's touched there. This one here, touch. Look at this, where it's gone to, touch. So if you drop that support and resistance line on there, you were going for BYOB, you had your stochastic in the extreme, you had your PSAR flip, and you've got a flat topped candle. And if you wanted to go for more pips, I would put my take profit now at that support line, because that is where it is drawing the price to. Look, and look, it hit it exactly. So if it broke that support and resistance line now, I would go for the next one possibly, okay? But you'd always wait for a bit of a retrace. So there you go. This is called the auto support, and it is in the public library. So go and put that on your charts. It is just brilliant. And it can really help you get to grips with where, yes, please go away, Harry. Oh, she's driving me nuts today. Right. That is really good indicator to put on there. Oh, she's really put me off. I'm sorry. Do you get one of those days and you just think, oh, right. That is a brilliant indicator for when you are practicing and you're not sure where to put your support and resistance. If you drop that on there, you can start to visually see where the support and the resistance lines actually are. And it's really good. So please go and practice with that. Go and put it on some charts and just see how good it is. I can't believe it. We never knew about this. So thank you so much, Rick McKenzie, and thank you to the Baby Boomers live trading session, because that's where I learned it from. And I'm definitely going to use this in the future because it's absolutely brilliant. So I hope that helps somebody. I hope you got some benefit out of that. So I'm going to drop that on YouTube and all the other places. And all of my live trading sessions now are on my YouTube channel. So you can watch all of the replays from everything I've ever done on my YouTube channel as well. So thank you so much and have an awesome weekend, everybody. Bye-bye.